Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I take care of my skin during summers. So it will be a summer skincare routine. I'm going to cover skincare, DIY masks and also diet. So make sure you watch this video till the end. I'm 100% sure you're going to find it very helpful. Alright guys, so let's get started. So the first thing I do when I get up in the morning is ice massage my face. So to kickstart our summer skincare routine, I begin with a refreshing facial ice massage roller. I like to keep mine in the freezer for a couple of hours to maximize its cooling effect. I start rolling the ice roller gently across my face in upward motion, and this helps me reduce puffiness, soothe inflammation and tighten my pores, giving my skin an instant boost of freshness. Opt for a gentle cleanser to remove sweat, oil and dirt from your skin without stripping away natural oils. Consider cleansing twice a day, especially if you have oily skin. I will be using my favorite, the BioCule Ever Glow Radiance Face Wash. This is enriched with vitamin C, AHA sourced from kakadu plum and sugarcane. This rich foaming face wash gently exfoliates dead skin cells, and I love the natural glow that it adds to my skin. After cleansing, it's time to balance and prep my skin with a hydrating toner. Toner is very essential in summer skincare for balancing pH levels, removing impurities, hydrating and prepping the skin for better absorption of products. I use the BioCule Ever Glow Radiance Toner formulated with 5 natural AHAs and vitamin C sourced from sugarcane and kakadu plum. This lightweight toner exfoliates, increases skin cell renewal and boosts luminosity. I apply the toner into a cotton pad and gently sweep it across my face and neck, and I avoid my eye area. Next step is extremely crucial. This is like nutrition for your skin. During summer, serums are like superheroes for your skin. They are lightweight but packed with powerful ingredients that tackle specific skin concerns like hydration and sun damage. Serums keep your skin hydrated without feeling greasy, which is perfect for those hot, sweaty days. I have the BioCule Ever Glow Radiance Serum packed with vitamin C, fruit AHAs and hyaluronic acid sourced from kakadu plum and sugarcane. This watery gel serum enhances hydration and delivers antioxidants for a youthful radiance. I have been using these products for the past 2-3 weeks and it's already doing wonders for my skin. It's smoother, brighter and more radiant than ever before. The BioCule Ever Glow Radiance series is made with all natural ingredients and very gentle on the skin, so you can use them in the morning and night for best results. I'll put the links in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. Moisturizer is still a must in the summer. I use the Dot & Key 72-hour hydrating gel plus probiotics. It keeps your skin hydrated, prevents it from drying out in the heat and helps maintain a healthy skin barrier. Just go for a lighter formula so it doesn't feel heavy, and if your moisturizer has SPF, even better. Keeps your skin happy and protected all season long. Next, I'm going to use the Aqualogica Radiance Plus Dewy Sunscreen. Sunscreen is like our best buddy, especially during summers. It's what saves our skin from turning into a crispy mess. Seriously, it's our defense against sunburn, wrinkles and all that nasty stuff. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher and reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. Look for water resistant formulas if you'll be swimming or sweating, and also try to avoid going out from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. to reduce your exposure to harmful UV rays. I know that is not possible. That is where sunscreen comes into picture. Now for me, M-caffeine under eye patches is very crucial in summer for combating puffiness, dark circles and dehydration caused by heat and sun exposure. It hydrates, brightens and protects the delicate eye area, keeping you looking fresh and youthful despite the summer hustle. I also love using the Garnier Hydra Balm Serum Mask. Let me tell you why hydrating masks are a must-have during the summer. Now picture this: scorching heat, sweat and sun exposure sucking the moisture out of your skin. That's where hydrating masks swoop in like heroes. They're like a big drink of water for your face, replenishing lost moisture and giving your skin that refreshing boost it craves. Plus, they're super soothing after a long day under the sun. Trust me, your skin is going to thank you for this. Vitamin C is super important for our skin in the summer because it's like a superhero against sun damage. I love using the Radiant C cream from Laneige. It helps to fight off those nasty free radicals caused by UV rays, which can lead to wrinkles, sunspots and all that jazz. Plus, it brightens up our complexion, giving us the radiant summer glow we all crave. You know how our lips can get all dry and cracked during summer. Well, that's where lip balm comes to the rescue. It's super important to keep your lips moisturized, especially when it's hot and sunny outside. Lip balm with SPF not only keeps your lips soft, but also protects them from getting sunburned. Trust me, your lips will thank you for it. I love using Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask and Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. Although these two do not have SPF, but I love them. They keep my lips soft and moisturized throughout. Also, what you can do is make DIY cooling masks at home. These homemade cooling masks are not only refreshing, but also packed with natural ingredients to nourish and revitalize your skin, making them perfect for hot summer days. You can use cucumber and aloe vera mask. Take half a cucumber peeled, chopped and pureed, and take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. It can be fresh or store-bought. I used store-bought. Mix them and apply to your clean face and neck. You can just leave it on for 15-20 minutes and rinse off. This will help hydrate and soothe the skin, reducing redness and inflammation. There's also yogurt and honey mask, where you take 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and 1 tablespoon of honey and apply it to your face and neck. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, while honey is moisturizing and soothing. This aloe vera and rose water mask is also excellent. Take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Aloe vera has soothing and hydrating properties, while rose water helps to tone and refresh the skin. I love this oatmeal and honey mask. Take 2 tablespoons of oats, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Oats will help to soothe and calm irritated skin, while honey provides hydration and antibacterial properties. We all love taking hot showers, especially after a very tiring day. But hot showers can also strip your skin from its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. So during summers, opt for lukewarm water instead and try to limit your shower time. Post-sun care is very important. After sun exposure, soothe your skin with aloe vera gel or after sun lotions to calm any redness or irritation. Avoid products containing alcohol, as they can further dry out your skin. During summers, it's extremely important to hydrate. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside. Now let's come to diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables and omega-3 fatty acids to nourish your skin from the inside. Foods high in antioxidants can also help protect your skin from sun damage. In India, where summers can be scorching, it's essential to consume food that help beat heat and keep the body cool and hydrated. Now, the traditional choices include juicy mangoes, enjoyed in various forms from lassi to shakes, along with other hydrating fruits like watermelon, muskmelon and papaya. Curd is staple in Indian cuisine and is valued for its cooling effect, often enjoyed plain or as raita. Coconut water and lemon water are popular thirst quenchers, replenishing lost fluids and electrolytes. Cucumbers, with their high water content, feature prominently in salads and refreshing drinks. Light and spicy meals like dal and sabzi, accompanied by pickles and chutneys, they help in digestion despite the heat. Herbal drinks such as aam panna and kokum sharbat offer flavorful yet cooling options. These will help you stay hydrated, refreshed and energized throughout the summer. Alright guys, that was it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then do like, share and comment down below what you would want to see next. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.